Alright guys, today I want to come on here and just do a quick unboxing on my new 10-inch subwoofer. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review, so I was going to actually take a look at it. It comes in packaged. Alright, so as you can see right out of the box, it does have a very cool design. The body is made of a cast aluminum, which helps it stay cool while playing loud and heavy bass. The material also improves sound flow and keeps vibrations tight, so you get clear highs, strong mids, and that deep bass you're really buying it for. It also does come with these accessories right here. Bass knob, the user manual to mount it to wherever you need to. All right, now here's where it gets fun. This thing packs a maximum of 1200 watts with a steady 300 watts RMS power. That gives you loud, clean bass without distortion. And thanks to that bass boost feature, you can really crank up the low end punch when you want to feel it. Another cool part is the LED lighting. It actually lights up blue and moves to the beat of your music. So if you like to cruise or show off your setup, it adds a fun visual vibe to your car. You can adjust the low pass filter between 50 to 150 hertz, boost the bass up to 24 decibels, control your input gain, and fine-tune the overall volume. So if you guys are looking for a new powered sub, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave that link down below so you can go ahead and try yours out.